Fáilte over cardja, my name is Mr. O'Sullivan. Béaltriail, mé féin agus mo Theaghlach, Gnáth bhéal. Ag dearán sean seo, big mé ábalta, ceistena ábhartha a héiscint, ceistena ábhartha a raigart. Cén sort duine who? What sort of person are you? Is duine blank mé? Cabhrach, helpful, cardúil, friendly, cliste, clever, réchúiseach, laid back, leisciúil, lazy, sportúil, sporty, ciúin, quiet, darmadach, forgetful. Inis dom faoi de Theaghlach. Tell me about your family. Déan cur síos de Theaghlach. Describe your family. Cé bheith duine atá de Theaghlach? How many people are in your family? Tá blank i mo Theaghlach. Bert, trúr, ceathrar, cúigear, seisir, seachtar, ochtar. Mé féin, mo mháthair, maithair. Is páiste éonar mé. I'm an only child. Tá blank agam agus blank agam. Draharawan, one brother. Bert Draharacha. Trúr Draharacha. Ceathrar Draharacha. Cúigear Draharacha. Drafúr awan, one sister. Bert Drafúracha. Trúr Drafúracha. Ceathrar Drafúracha. Cúigear Drafúracha. Tá Seán blank. Tá Sheila blank. Is duine blank é Seán? Is duine blank í Sheila? Cabhrach, cardúil, cliste, réchúiseach, leisciúil, sportúil, ciúin, darmadach. Is mise an duine is óige. I am the youngest. Is é Seán an duine is óige. Seán is the youngest. Is í Sheila an duine is óige. Sheila is the youngest person. Is mise an duine is sinne. I am the oldest person. Is é Seán an duine is sinne. Seán is the oldest person. Is í Sheila an duine is sinne. Sheila is the oldest person. Conas a réitíonn tú le do hismóirí. How do you get on with your parents? Réití míad go mála chéile. We get on well together. Ní réití míad go mála chéile. We do not get on well together. Cuireann siad isteach orm. They annoy me. An gabhraíonn tú le hobar an tí. Do you help with housework? Déanam an dinéir. I make the dinner. Níam na gréthe. I wash the dishes. Glanam ma cheomra. I clean my room. Glanam an teach. I clean the house. Téim ag siúl le mo wadra. I go walking with my dog. Tugam ara do mogra fúr no mogra haar. I look after my sister or my brother. An bhain tú leontas. Do you get an allowance? Ní aim leontas. I do not get an allowance. Ní aim leontas mar tá post part-time shrugam. I do not get an allowance because I have a part-time job. Fáim blank gach seachtain. I get blank every week. Cad iad rialacha an tí. What are the rules of the house? Caithfidh tú, you must or you have to. Obair an tí a dhéanamh. Do the housework. Dobarwalia a dhéanamh. Do your homework. An íreanna a insint. Tell the truth. Cad a tharlóch dá mrisfí na rialacha. What would happen if the rules were broken? Ní bheadh cad agat. You would not be allowed. Dul amach le do chairde. Go out with your friends. Féchan ar an telefís. Watch the television. Dul go háin a úsáid. Use your phone. Anis tá mé ábalta. Ceistena ábhartha a héiscint. Ceistena ábhartha a raigart. Sánaibh.